claiming GSTs on your flight tickets. It's pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how you guys can claim GST on your flight tickets. So for that, we are going to search for any of the flights that I want to book. It will take some time, and there you guys can see. I'm just going to take any of for an example. So I'm just going to click on view all, and then I'm going to click on view prices. And then I'm going to have to click on book now. I'm just doing this for an example, but in your case, you have to do this precisely. And here it will redirect you to the new page. And here you have to scroll down until you see an option for I have GST number. You just have to check this option, and you guys will be able to see two options. The first one is company name and the registration numbers. So you just have to add the company of your GST number and the registration number of your GST number. What it will do is it will add the GST number to your flight or ticket. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.